How to talk a subject that is quite interesting through OIL, OIL, Organizing Interactive Lectures, OIL, Organizational Interactive Lectures. Those who love to create one's own powerful organization through ME space, they should know how to feel the mind, intellect and ego to create that type of words to organize their unit space in tune with me. There is meaning for life when organizational ways are perceived through the powerful interactive sessions among MESSOULs. Everything seems to be in the organized ways. A school is organized. A college is organized. Any office is organized. Any house is also organized. In almost all the walks of life, many types of organizational activities are seen. Then, organizing my team with the highest clarity of a visionary path is essential for me brand souls. That should be interesting, quite rewarding with one's own feeling of the hearts to make the yields of blissfulness or happiness along with monetary benefits. When I talk about my organization, especially Nij Yoga systems, then there is meaning for that type of awareness to be in the organized nature of Nij Raj Yogic Tree. It is not always matters with the gestures, but with the clarity of the words meet together to feel the organizing nature to listen to me. Different varieties of subjects can be seen through it. At the same time, there may be imperfections. Everything is not perfect in this planet. There is illumination. So, waiting for perfection is not the way in which me brand should think of organizing. Let there be imperfection. But it's better to be imperfect than doing nothing, waiting for someone to interact or to help. So one's own power within make that type of organized nature more qualitative with purposefulness. So power, purpose and proximity. The proximity with divinity, dignity, decency and highest syllabus, then soul's power can be felt through one's own awareness. That's why OIL, Organizing Interactive Lectures, that will facilitate growth stories under Nij Raj Yogic Tree with straighteousness. Without words, how can anybody understand the system? Without words, how can anybody understand a philosophy? So philosophers can talk. King souls, queen soul, prince or princess, they can talk because it's a subject with philosophy, spirituality, God consciousness, yogic awareness, supreme waves. So organizing talents are necessary for MESSOULS to create individuality, independent strategies, various wonderful things to feel the beautiful life in this planet. That's where I always feel me brand souls should be extraordinarily powerful to create one's own destiny without laziness and content. That is conditioned life by wrong systems. If many feel they want to be energetic, they should know in which system they are living or leading. That's where me brand souls are extraordinarily capable to create one's own destiny that will lead to creating destiny for others who are illiterate and ignorant about the practicality and various systems that never allow them to grow in tune with their own deficiency. So efficient talents and the power is essential. How to create the awareness of efficiency? Continuously learning to feel the purpose and the nature of organization. Then there is meaning for me brand souls to create huge abundances for better living conditions, to have one's own styles, independent styles. That's where power manifestation souls, power manifestation categories, power manifestation groups with organizing nature. Captains and co-captains, organizers souls and co-organizers, creators and co-creators. We are all going to be together with highest clarity of a visionary path, Nij's path. Then I feel through universal glory, in the global reality, the life in this planet for organizing souls are going to be very interesting. At the same time, they will feel the blissfulness and happiness, creating destiny for one's own beautiful life. Highest 3 syllabus, GlobeMenons in the leading styles, marketing organizers, vision organizers, talent organizers, thought leaders and thought organizers. All organizing nature is essential for messengers of love and religion of yogic concept for a new millennium transformative change. That's why we are going to take the responsible roles collectively to be in the presence of our royal ways beyond all politics, its power manifestation ways. Universally global, centering upon Nij Raj Yogic life. Straight, straightness, straight's right, straight's left, and straight. That's the business roads for me brand souls. Love to you all. Create destiny through ME spirituality.